Okay, Brian, let's go through Lois's drawers and look for clues. If you find any, let me know. And if you find the yo-yo she took from me, definitely let me know. Stupid Lois. I'm not going to use it in the house. The Wendy's employee gave it to me if I promised to calm down.
Peter, this is a dead end. All I see here is your Nerf gun from last summer.
Oh, no way. She said I lost that. She deserves to be in jail. Hey! Suck on that, Lois.
That was very close to my eyes, Peter.
It wasn't close to your eye.
That's why I took it.
It was so far from your eye.